Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily upload pictures to Pinterest. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Pinterest app. Then tap right here where it says saved to open up your saved pictures or kind of your profile. And on that page, in order to upload some picture to Pinterest, just hit add that plus sign and select pin. Now that opens up photos from your camera roll. You can scroll down and find some photo. I'm just gonna select that one and then just hit add next. Now you can name this photo, add a description, or add here some link if you want. Then tap on next, and now you can add this picture to some existing board, or you can create new one by hitting add create board. I'm just gonna add it to some of that boards, just like that. And now if you want to find this picture, you can just hit right here add created, and now you can easily view that photo. You can hit add to view to see more photos like that. In that simple way, you can scroll down to see more photos, and basically that's it. Now you know how to upload pictures to Pinterest, and you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Also, I recommend you to check out my Pinterest tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.